Welcome to Quotation Factory's Getting Started Guide. In this video, we show you how to create your factory and set up your first project. To start, we need to create a user. This user will be the main person using Quotation Factory. Later, this user can invite colleagues to join. Enter your first name, last name, and email address, then press Next. A pop-up will show up, asking you to create a password for your Quotation Factory account. Next, check your email inbox and click the Confirm Your Email Address button. This will automatically take you to the next step. Now, you can identify your factory by entering your factory name, choosing your company role, and picking your currency. Press Next. Now, you can select your available working steps. We've defined 5 metal disciplines: sheet metal, tubes and profiles, CNC machining, assembling, and surface treatments. But you can select as many as you need. When you select one, it appears at the bottom of the screen. If you want to remove a step, just click on it. In this example, we select sheet metal and tubes. If you want to add more operations, click Select Working Steps, scroll down the list, and select Shipping, for example, and it will be added to your environment. When you're done, press Next. On the next screen, you can review your information to make sure everything is correct. After checking, press Let's Start, and we move to the project overview screen. You'll notice a blue icon at the bottom right of your screen. If you have any questions at any time, feel free to contact our support team through this chat. Updates will also appear here, and you can rewatch this video here as well. Now, let's move on to creating your first project.